Hey guys, so I am back again. So today I'm going to unbox a new Vivo smart device Y11. So this one I received just 2 days ago. So today I will highlight all the features, what is the new technology, and I believe this device is one of the best device in this range of products. So I got it for about 120 euros, so which is approximately ringgit Malaysia 499. So let's start the unboxing video. So this is a packaging of Vivo Y11. It comes with a 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of ROM. So this color is agate red, Vivo model 1906. This smart device comes with a non-removable 5000 milliampere battery. The screen size is 6.35 inches. Hello full view display and AI dual camera. So let's start the unboxing video. So here in the packaging box we have a cover, transparent cover, which is free of cost, and a SIM removable pin, and this one is a warranty card. So this all we put back, don't want to have so much of mess around here. Then here is a smart device. So this one we will open again. Let's have a look at the other accessories. So this one is a Vivo charger. This is not a smart charging, and the adapter output is 5 volt to 2 ampere. So this is a data cable. That's all inside the box. Okay, so let's have a look on the smartphone. So this is a red agate color Vivo. So here you can see that they have two variants of colors, black and red. So it change the color as it comes under a light. So before turning on the phone, let me highlight some of the features and technology they are using. So this one is GSM HSP LTE compatible, announced in 2019 October. In October 2019, dimension 6.28 inches, screen, weight is approximately 190 grams, dual SIM, nano SIM compatibility and dual standby. Display is IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors. So display is good for this price, but if you are looking for high resolution videos with 1080 pixel of video size, so I believe you won't be able to get that good output files if you watch on YouTube. But overall it's a nice view, which we will go through later. The resolution is 720 by 1544 pixel, which is approximately 268 ppi density. The platform they are using for such a good device means the range is 120 euros. They are using a Android 9 Pie, Fun Touch 9.1. Chipset is Qualcomm SDM439 Snapdragon 439 12nm. CPU is octa-core. GPU is Adreno 505. As so, if we talk about the memory, the card slot is micro SD up to 256 GB. Internal is 32 GB and 3 GB RAM. For the main camera, triple. Here you can see they have a flashlight, and both the cameras are AI dual, 13 megapixel and 2 megapixel depth sensor. Features: LED flash, HDR, and panorama. Then video quality 1080p at 30 frame per second FPS. Selfie camera. Here you can see the selfie camera. This one comes with the 8 megapixel and video quality 1080p 30 frame per second. So meanwhile we turn it on. Sound loudspeaker 3.5 mm jack. It support Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi direct and hotspot. Bluetooth is 4. GPS, yes, it have a GPS compatibility. FM radio, micro USB to USB on the go compatible. Fingerprint sensors, accelerators, proximity and compass sensors are inbuilt. Non-removable lithium po battery. Battery charging 10 volt. Colors, as I mentioned before, is red. Then you can see the color quality is quite nice. So as I already set up this device, so I won't waste much of the time in explaining how to set up the device. But the best part I like about this device is whenever you key off the key, lock the keypad and unlock it, it change the wallpapers, which is like every time you're having something very good rather than having a same wallpaper again and again. So let's turn it on. So let's talk about camera. So camera quality, as you can see, that it's not that sharp, as it's 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel for the depth, but it fulfill the purpose for that price range. So you have a few other options to check. You can change as per your requirement. Then let's go through some of the settings. So here you can see all the things. Then let's drop the brightness a bit so you can have a clear picture of the thing. So these are the some of the features. So for the music wise and the microphone, let's have a look at how the output file and the video quality. Let's play some. Let's play. In a world without boundaries, stories are all around us. So you ready to go? In those stories, I see resilience in the face of adversity. So the video quality is okay. It's good for this price of range. And if you have a budget of less than 150 euros, then I think this is a good choice to go. And now Vivo devices are quite good in performance, and they're using latest Android 9. So the camera is quite good quality, and the video playback on the YouTube and other is quite good. So overall we will say that this is a nice device if you planning to give it to somebody for a Christmas gift, or your mother, father, or your loss if you're planning to give them. So this one is quite good device. You can consider it for your next purchase. So hope you guys like the device, and if you have any question about the device, you can just drop me a message in the comment, then I will be happy to answer it. So thanks a lot for today, guys. Have a good day.